Happy French Friday to you. If you are joining me for the first time, I'm Jessica and you're watching French Farmhouse Flair, and this here little cutie is Penny, and she'll be joining us today as well, so I hope that you will too.
Okay friends, you may remember if you looked in the description box in last week's video, I mentioned that hubby built something else while we were working on our Trash to Treasure project. For last week's video, hubby quickly threw this table together out in the garage, and I didn't even know he was building it. I said, oh no, I wanted to video you building the table. So I did not get this on video, him building it. Sorry guys. But I am going to video myself painting it, so I will be using this Sherwin-Williams Super Paint and Primer in One. Extra white is the color, and it is exterior paint, so perfect for this project. I'm also using Wood Putty by Minwax just to fill in the nail holes before I get started on painting it. Okay, so I finished with the first coat, let that dry, and now I'm adding the second coat to the whole table, and then I ended up putting 3 coats on the top here. So I wanted it to be really covered very well so that it will hold up out in the weather, and especially because I will be wanting to wipe the top down um, after we eat on it and things like that outside. So just wanted to get that third coat on the top here, and then we'll let that dry and we'll be ready to put this in place out on the back patio. I'm excited because for this larger table, because all we had out there before was a smaller set, 3-piece like French bistro type cafe style table out there, but this is really nice, and I'm excited to enjoy this outdoor space and to have this bigger table out here to eat on with the family. And the only thing is I had this 2 black chairs already, but I only had 2. I need to get more. I will be on the hunt for more of those. I bought these 2 black ones at Ross a while back. Like I said, these were chairs I already had, and I went back to Ross to see if I could find more, and I went to 2 different Rosses and there was nothing. So they're very low on inventory right now, and I will just have to keep my eye out. Maybe I'll have to end up ordering some more chairs for out here, or who knows, maybe I can find some on Facebook Marketplace and get lucky and be able to get some more chairs on there. Even if I have to paint them, that would be okay too. So I'm really happy though with how this table turned out. I'm super excited to use this uh, for the, having a larger table for this outdoor space is going to be really nice. Okay, I just love these bee pillows that I found at Walmart. I have one on each end here, and they're outdoor pillows, and they're only $5 each. I thought they were super cute. And just want to mention too that this table was a freebie because the wood was just leftover wood that hubby had that he used to build the table with. So that didn't cost anything, and we already had the paint, so that was basically, it was just a free project, so that was pretty awesome, I think. And just want to say a big thank you to hubby for building the table. I love how it turned out. I also want to thank hubby for installing this new light fixture and fan out here for us. That will be nice to have a little breeze from the fan when we're sitting out here. And we have the speakers up on the ceiling as well on either side so we can enjoy music while we're just sitting out here relaxing or eating out here. So that will be really nice. And so just again, a big thank you to hubby for helping me with these projects to get all this done out here so that I could share it all with you. And oh, there's our cutie patootie right there, taking a little sneak peek at us outside.
Okay friends, that is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Come back and see me next French Friday. So until then, au revoir.